Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Are you of your PC running slower a snail on a Sunday morning? Well, today, I'm here to show you how to give your computer a little TLC with some good old-fashioned cleaning and maintenance. Step 1. Let's start by powering down your computer and unplugging it from the wall. Safety first, right? Step 2. Now, grab a screwdriver and open up your PC case. Look at all that dust caked on the fans and components. It's like a desert in here. Step 3. Take a can of compressed air and gently blow away the dust from the fans and vents. Trust me, your computer will thank you for the fresh air. Step 4. While you're at it, don't forget to wipe down your peripherals, like your keyboard and mouse. Those crumbs and fingerprints aren't doing your setup any favors. Step 5. For a thorough clean, you can also remove the keys from your keyboard and give them a good scrub. Just be careful not to lose any in the process. Step 6. Once everything is spick and span, put your PC back together and plug it back in. Fire it up and revel in the newfound speed and efficiency. So, there you have it, a simple yet effective way to clean and maintain your PC. Give it a try and let me know how it goes in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like and share this video with your fellow techies. Thanks for watching, and happy cleaning.